Welcome to today's Daily Motivation, all during the month of May. We're talking about small acts of kindness as part of our BizCares program. That's at bizcares.org. Today I'm talking with Anthony Worrall, who's the president of Reynolds Restoration. Anthony, talk to me about the small act of kindness you guys have done relative to first responders.
Thank you, John. Yes, in our three locations, which are in Harrisburg, in right outside of Philadelphia, and in Baltimore, we have donated some of our services and time to first responders. So whether it's police stations or whether it are ambulance services, to go in and do a COVID-19 fogging and cleaning to some of their facilities and then to their vehicles. And we just find that it's really helpful from a giving back to where we are performing and doing our business. We want to give back to those people that are out there keeping everybody safe.
Okay. Well, all during the month of May, small acts of kindness, bizcares.org. If you have a small act of kindness or something a company is doing to help the community, send it to me at jd@johndane.com or check out our website, bizcares.org. Thanks a lot, Anthony.
Thank you, John.